I'm about to call Anna Fitch, a first-year student from Delphus, Ohio. She just won the grand prize for the VAX BGSU program.
Hello?
Anna?
Yeah.
Yes, this is Rodney Rogers. I'm the president here at BGSU.
I know who you are.
You do? Anna, I wanted to first thank you for choosing to be vaccinated. And as you know, that entered you in to a program that we have here, VAX BGSU, right?
Yep.
And I want you to know that you have won the grand prize. And the grand prize is in-state tuition and instructional fees for your college career here at Bowling Green State University, the 8 quarters.
Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm so glad I came here.
Congratulations on winning the grand prize. I understand you have a class tonight, so don't miss the class, okay?
Oh, no, I definitely won't.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.